In a market dominated by big names and increasingly similar designs, CMF by nothing aims to break the monotony with its latest innovation, the CMF Phone 2 Pro. This smartphone isn't just another mid-ranger, it's a fresh take on what affordable phones can be. It blends style, modularity, and long-term software support into one unique device. At the forefront, you're greeted with a 6.77-inch AMOLED panel that immediately captures attention. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, this display delivers buttery-smooth interactions whether you're gaming, browsing, or streaming your favorite content. The HDR10 Plus support further enhances the experience by bringing out deep contrasts and punchy colors, while the 1080 by 2392 resolution ensures everything looks crisp and detailed. It's not just about the looks either. The AMOLED technology makes the screen more power efficient and better in direct sunlight. Powering this uniquely designed device is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro chipset, a serious leap over the previous generation. Built for everyday multitasking, casual gaming, and even some intense applications, this chipset ensures that performance remains stable and efficient. Whether you're toggling between social apps, editing photos, or even dabbling with video content, the CMF Phone 2 Pro handles it all gracefully. Combined with Android 15 and CMF's own clean and minimalistic Nothing OS 3.2, the software experience is smooth, bloatware-free, and customizable. What really makes this package impressive is the promise of 3 years of Android OS updates and an exceptional 6 years of security patches. A rare commitment in this segment that shows Nothing's confidence in the longevity of the phone. When it comes to photography, the CMF Phone 2 Pro does not shy away from delivering quality and versatility. It comes equipped with a triple camera setup, starting with a powerful 50MP main sensor that includes optical image stabilization, OIS. This allows you to shoot crystal clear images even in low light conditions, or while moving. The second camera is another 50MP telephoto lens, offering 2x optical zoom that's perfect for portraits or zooming in without compromising on detail. The third is an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, ideal for capturing landscapes, architecture, or large group shots. But CMF goes even further with a unique offering, clip-on modular lenses. With optional accessories like macro lenses, fisheye lenses, and more, users can completely change their shooting style in seconds, giving content creators and photography lovers more creative freedom than ever before. On the power front, the 5000 mAh battery ensures that you can easily get through a full day and more, even with heavy usage. It supports 33W fast charging, which can bring the battery up significantly in a short time, and also includes 5W reverse charging, handy for topping up your earbuds or a friend's phone on the go. While some competitors may boast faster charging, CMF's focus is on safe, reliable battery management and longevity. The design of the Phone 2 Pro is where it truly sets itself apart. With its user-replaceable back cover, CMF gives you the freedom to swap designs and textures based on your style and mood. The aluminium frame adds durability without adding unnecessary weight, and the phone is protected by Panda glass, offering resistance against scratches and drops. You also get IP54 water and dust resistance, making it resilient enough for everyday use in less than perfect conditions. But CMF didn't stop at hardware. They've introduced an innovative feature called the Essential Space button, a physical customizable key that can be mapped to almost anything, from launching the camera and flashlight to activating Google Assistant or your favorite app. It's a thoughtful addition that enhances productivity and user convenience. Add to this NFC support, a Type-C port, dual SIM capability, and a refined haptic feedback engine, and you've got a phone that nails the essentials while offering features most wouldn't expect in this price range. Overall, the CMF Phone 2 Pro isn't just about specifications, it's about empowering users. It dares to be different with its modular design, supports long-term use with extended updates, and offers a rich multimedia and camera experience. For anyone looking for a phone that breaks away from the ordinary and gives more control to the user, whether it's through its software, accessories, or design, the CMF Phone 2 Pro is a serious contender. It's a perfect blend of practicality, innovation, and value, and it might just be the most underrated phone of the year.